Get ready to step up your brow game with the Probrow Pomade Kit from Brow Bar by Reema. This two-piece set includes the Probrow Pomade, which is a buildable, high-impact, and dramatic brow. The 007 brush is a dual-ended brush that has a spoolie on one end to comb out those brows and an angled brush on the other to perfectly shape the brow that you want. All you have to do to get the perfect brows is start by taking the spoolie and combing out your brow hair. Next, dip the angled brush into the pomade to pick up the product. Begin with light brush strokes on the inner part of the brow and then build up your color toward the outer tail of the brow. This light fade to dark gradient is going to give a lot of drama and power to your brows. Let's do our makeup together and step up our brow game. Start off today's look with your favorite foundation and concealer. Then let's dive into our Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Sapphire Siren and take that translucent powder to set our makeup. Time to get started on our brows. Use the spoolie end of the dual brush and comb your brow hairs upward and outward to give a nice base to shape your brows. Then dip the angled brush into the pomade and begin adding some color to the brows. Outline your brow lightly with the shape that you want, and we will continue to build and add color as we go. Give your brows one more comb through with the spoolie, and then we are going to go clean up under the brow with the Brow Bar by Reema Brow Lift. I'm applying the brow lift all over the lid to give a nice strong base for our eyeshadow. To start off the eyes, grab the translucent powder and tap that beneath the brow. Then taking the matte black eyeshadow, create a sideways V shape on the outer end of the eye and start blending that out. This is going to give a lot of lift to our eyeshadow look today. Let's add some drama to the lids by packing in this deep shimmery color and then going under the eye with the matte black eyeshadow. For our eyeliner, we'll take the Kajal pencil to create a smudged out smoky wing. Also apply it to the waterline and then top off those lashes with your favorite mascara. We want to add a little bit of shine to the inner corner, so I'm taking a shaved foil from Reema Beauty and tapping that into the inner corner of the eye. Let's round out this look with the Sugar Daddy lashes, some contour, blush, and highlight, and then top it off with our favorite lip gloss, Oh My My from Brow Bar by Reema.